So okay, I will gonna start. Oh, sorry, I just adjust my camera. Okay, so I gonna start to talk within the English because Papa had recommend me to do like this. Is the It might improve my English speaking skill because now I want to talk about the interview process of the cabin crew role. And now I do a plaster because I have the shoe bite. Okay, continue with the interview process in cabin crew job, in cabin crew role that I had done for yesterday. I'm gonna say that the question is very simple and the process is just only please skin with the judge, like it's not from the airline committee, it's from the agency crew route from Malaysia, and I just met her judge and she's just asked me about read my resume and good morning, nice to meet you, and I say yeah, nice to meet you. I remember something that I wanna ask, but they ignore me and they read my resume. Right, oh Panita, okay, tell me more about yourself. Okay, continue. I paused the video because I have dry my hair. uh the process of the interview. I'm come with you chat, right? And they say, okay, tell me more about yourself. Are you said? I said, I am 26 years old. I'm not introduced my name because she read my name, but I think it's the mistake because if I repeat that again about hello, my name is Vanita, my name is I'm 26 years old. I hold a bachelor degree from Thammasat University. My major is learning facilitation. I used to be a teacher in the Part.1 school, so now I'm working as a customer service trainer at Shopee Thailand. I just stopped in here, but I think it's on resume. And that time I felt very nervous and very excited because my heart is going out, like they will come out, and I know that my mouth is moving when I smile, like yes, and it's like I am nervous or I am afraid something, and I think that when I had speak to her, I know that I did not receive the invitation for in the after party in the next process on afternoon, and then yeah, and it's not over yet. Then she say like, okay, Thammasat University, what you have learned in your university life. And wow, I remember that question is very quite simple because I'm learning English with PM, and he said like that the same question like this, and I can answer, but my English, my grammar, or my confidence is not more than when I not in front of PM. And then and then okay, I just answer to the judge with I would say yes, I remember this sentence because I prepare to say like that, but I'm not sure is the formal or it's not good to say that. Let's just say like it. I would say, but I would say when I was in the university, I was a volleyball player. I have learned when we play together, we we work in a teamwork for a contest. And this word, I can't remember when we have like a match. I just say like contestant. What is that? I talk in my head like what is that? What is that word? What is that word mean? But I said already. And then I know I'm not like I cannot find the way down the sentence. ไม่รู้ประโยคจบthat's like that. And then I say yeah, I know that in the one moment of the second moment, like okay, I know that I cannot do the next person. Regret you to inform that you do not be on the next person yet. I know that because it's on my answer. It's very simple. What like very quite simple, but I cannot answer it well. And I realized that I'm not good at English. I'm not good at English with confidence when in front of someone who I never met. But I believe that when I talk to the friends or someone I familiar on and I'm talk before then something serious, I can speak very well. I believe that, but I know that I'm not good at English is work in vocabulary. Because like I think I'm not I think I could sayเลยนะ I can say I know I'm not know all the vocabulary. I like my English skill is like A2. It's not B1, B2 is like a A2. I think it's very quite low to speak in normal with the airline because but I have the goal to speak like speak like a native, but not native more than I can speak like I can speak with the other flow and they understand me more like this. Okay, I'm good. But I'm so tired to I'm forget to use this one is the underarm cream. I'm not know is what the time is now. I'm just talking with myself on the camera. I believe and I'm sure that my friend is my close friend will saw it, see it video. Yeah, I'm have the struggling with the past tense and the sentence and the present and future, because when I have learned with Pyam, I have to stop by him when I speak, and then that, hey, is this the past or present when I speak the camera right verb, and then yeah, oh, it's what it's past or present, but I think I'm better more than like 1 month 2 months ago. I'm just confused. I cannot break myself to speak in past tense, but now I can, and then I have struggling with, I will talk to the video and I will say my close friend will see the video that I have practiced in English on YouTube, because Pi5 is recommend me to do like this, but I cannot remember how long the video, like 10 minutes or 13 minutes, and then I will stop it here like 12 minutes, because I got to go to work that I love so much. Bye. I will update, and no, I will repeat this sentence. No, this sentence. I will repeat the same topic like on 3 video, right? Is this the first one? Is have the 2 left. I will talk about this again. See you. Bye.